Hello there, this is a Buteyko mild air hunger breathing practice talk through for people with a controlled pause of less than 15 seconds. Okay, so you're sitting in an upright chair, perhaps with a cushion behind your back for support. There are 2 cycles of breathing, each lasting 4 minutes. During this first cycle, I want you to focus on your awareness of your breathing and work on your ability to relax your muscles. And then we'll move on to reducing your breathing to the point where you experience a slight feeling of air hunger. The cycle begins with a controlled pause. The number of metronome beats you hear during your breath hold will give you your time. At the end of the controlled pause, place your hands on your upper and lower chest and observe your breathing. Okay, take a normal breath in, out, and pinch your nose. At the first feeling of discomfort, release. Memorize your control pause time. Let your breathing settle into a quiet, relaxed, comfortable rhythm. Notice how much your chest is moving as you breathe. Pay attention particularly to the area behind your lower hand. Try to let your abdominal muscles relax completely, and you may find that the movement of your lower hand becomes more noticeable. Now letting your hands rest down on your thighs with palms facing upwards. And now we're going to scan through the body, starting at your feet and working upwards. Let the muscles in your feet, ankles and calves feel loose and slack. It may be helpful to let your knees rest slightly apart. Relax your thighs. And then move on to relaxing your hips, lower back. All the while your breathing continues to be smooth, silent, and through your nose. Next, focus on the upper half of your body. Relax your fingers, your arms, your shoulders. Lengthen your neck until your head feels nicely balanced. And now relax the muscles in your jaw and the smile muscles around your lips and your cheeks. And then the muscles around your eyes and in your forehead. Letting the air flow smoothly in and out of your chest, making hardly any effort at all. Now begin to reduce the size of each breath, just a fraction. And gradually you'll start to feel a light lack of air. And this is the feeling of air hunger that we're after. Your body can easily manage on this amount of air. 30 seconds to go now. Continue to breathe these marginally smaller breaths to maintain the feeling of air hunger. And rest. Note down your first controlled pause time. Good. Well done. Have a little wriggle around and stretch, and then we'll move on to the second cycle. In this cycle, try to carry forward the feeling of air hunger you get at the end of the control pause by going straight into breathing with mild air hunger. This time, after your control pause, let your hand immediately rest down on your lap. Okay, sitting tall, take a normal breath in, out, and pinch your nose. Release at the first feeling of discomfort. Memorize your control pause. Keeping hold now of the feeling of air hunger from the control pause as you settle into relaxed breathing. Once you have a comfortable feeling of air hunger, keep it going by adjusting the size of each breath. Don't let it get too strong. Now a quick scan through your body, freeing up your feet, ankles, legs, hips and lower back. Give extra attention to relaxing in and around your abdomen. And then moving your attention to your lower chest. Checking your shoulders. You may like to try pulling the shoulder blades gently backwards and downwards. Some people find this helps them to breathe more easily. Become aware of your arms and hands. Now moving attention up to your neck, jaw, the muscles around your lips and cheeks, the muscles around your eyes and forehead. Still maintaining a very mild level of air hunger. Continue taking smaller than normal breaths. Your breaths should be small, soft and silent. Just 30 seconds to go now. As you practice, you may find it's surprising how little you need to breathe. And finishing now. Well done. Note down your second control pause. Good work. That's the set completed. If you wish, you can now do one more cycle of a control pause and reduced volume breathing in your own time. But that's all from me. Bye for now.